Burchfield Nature and Art Center. We're going to show you a fun, easy project to do with color. We're going to use masking tape, blue and yellow paint, and wood. Guys, most of these projects are mostly free. We tried this project on multiple different surfaces. Wood, canvas, paper. Did you know you can mix blue and yellow to make green? A variety of different greens. It's amazing! The hardest part is putting the masking tape on. You're gonna have to rip and cut the masking tape. You might want to try spray paint before you tape. Try different things. See what you like. Become an artist. Stay tuned to the end of this video. Yeah, boy!
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
When we unwrap this tape, it's gonna be kind of like Christmas. The Burchfield Park has tons of sculptures. It's like a museum here. Let's go. Man, this sculpture's pretty cool. I think it's a root dancer. Let's go check out that one over there. Well, that's kind of weird. The picnic table is a cool place to eat lunch. Here at Burchfield, they have this beautiful stick fort over there. Let's go! really plan a trip to the Burchfield Nature Park. If you like Burchfield Nature Park and videos like this, click the like button and the subscribe button. And if you're on a computer, click the bell button. I think we're gonna dip our feet in. Remember to stay wild! Good news! The projects are dry. And now it's time to pull the tape. Okay, let's get started. So cool. Wow, that's really cool. Man, I feel like I know a lot more about green than anyone in the whole entire universe. Oh, but I even have a shirt from BuffaloWildCats.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Like and subscribe.